You can't detect me, you can't infect me, you can't wreck me, you can't predict my next step. So you better watch out for yourself, cause I can protect myself. So you listen that I'm the danger which ain't gonna step. Make ranks, be a tank, break away comes and says you can. Be the man, come up and stand, be your own fan, drop like the rain, put your step till you faint. Live up to your name, come with all your strength, be the land chain that's gonna guide the population. Be persistent like a piston and consistent with your wisdom. You know who owns Jack and Jones? Are the rappers who gonna rap in the treble until the ride won't pebble. So don't hold back, be fast, or we'll keep yourself ahead of the rest. When you're down, insist yourself to come up and be the best. When you're sacked to the ground, come back, rag them down. Yeah, I know you're gonna criticize. I know you're gonna put me down with words that you think are wise. But I know the playground is the sky. I'm gonna go high, I'm gonna rise, and then I'm gonna sigh. So don't hold back, be fast, always keep yourself out of the rest. When you're down, insist yourself to come up, be the best. When you're sacked to the ground, come back with the whack and put them down. Remember guys, don't hold back.